Sol combines the genes of its successful predecessors with the best new ideas from our development team. The result is an Orderman like you've never seen before, a unique device designed and developed for successful restaurateurs. Its large 4.3-inch brilliant OLED display offers sharp colors and vivid contrasts. With automatic brightness control and maximized viewing angle, Orderman Sol is readable under any conditions. Our design philosophy is simple. Perfection is our aim. Orderman Sol was developed on the basis of the latest ergonomic advances and designed specifically for the hospitality industry. Sol combines maximum reliability with a solid, robust design and convenience of work. Our love of detail is evident in every centimeter. Elegant flowing lines and a well-balanced design make Sol ideal for left or right-handed users. And thanks to its special soft grip surface, Sol fits snugly and firmly in your hand. The innovative graphic user interface is based on an intuitive operating concept that makes ordering convenient, efficient, and easy to learn. Thanks to an intelligent power management system and the OLED technology, the batteries remain charged for up to 18 hours. The microSD card allows for memory upgrade and quick and easy transfer of the setup configuration if you have to replace a unit. A powerful hardware core with dual processors provides outstanding performance and maximum reliability. Whether through the order card function or Bluetooth interface, Orderman Sol Plus helps you focus on the guest. And if you use the magnet card reader, your service is ultimately perfect. The new Orderman Sol, developed from our best ideas, built for successful restaurateurs.